Hey everyone, Greg from Carid.com and welcome back to the shop. And in today's video, I've got a few of our shop vehicles here with me, and as different as they are from each other, they both have one very important feature in common, and that's their custom lighting. Now, each of these vehicles is equipped with a set of headlights from a dominant aftermarket lighting manufacturer, and these right here are just a select few of the fantastic custom headlights from the team at Morimoto Lighting. So if you stay up to date in all of our product reviews here at Carid.com, then you already know that I've had my hands on a few sets of their headlights already. And because I was so incredibly impressed with their attractive designs, lighting features, immense lighting power, and even ease of installation, I just wanted to go ahead and provide all of you with a brief overview of how the team over at Morimoto is really changing the aftermarket lighting game as we know it. Now, it doesn't matter if you're just getting into the automotive hobby or maybe you've been in it for decades. Now, the one thing is for sure, auto manufacturers don't necessarily always offer the best performing or most attractive headlights. And even if they do offer an improved lighting package, it can sometimes tack on a few $1,000s or more to the total price of a new vehicle. Well, the team over at Morimoto decided that they wanted to offer car lovers like ourselves an alternative to pricey lighting options from the dealer, and they certainly delivered. This team has only been around since 2008, but from the get-go, they set out to offer gearheads the most attractive, highest performing, and advanced lighting available in the aftermarket. Now, I won't lie to you guys, these lights are not cheap compared to a lot of other options out there, but like the old saying goes, you get what you pay for. And if you only want the best of the best for your vehicle, you need to see what Morimoto has to offer. So like I said, guys, the vehicles I have with me today are all equipped with a set of headlights from Morimoto. And the first thing that's going to really stand out with these lights are their designs. Now, out of all the different kinds of aftermarket headlights that I've personally reviewed, none of their designs are as modern and as unique as Morimoto. Now, take this 7-inch round steel beam here, for example. The quad optic setup is a jaw dropper compared with a fully blacked out housing that's going to look good on any color JK Wrangler. But not only are the orientation of these lenses attractive, but Morimoto also equips this light with a bright white DRL and a switchback turn signal feature. All these features are subtle touches that, when you combine them, create a seal beam unlike anything else on the market. But this seal beam is just a taste of what Morimoto offers. Now, take the set of headlights we have on our F-150 here. Yet again, Morimoto chose to use an incredibly attractive quad projector setup for both the low and the high beams, and they combine that with a thick, bright amber DRL bar. But what's truly impressive about all of their headlights is the performance. Now, I know it's not uncommon to see a set of attractive aftermarket headlights, but even though they look good, honestly, a large majority perform worse than your factory lights when it comes to actually lighting up a dark road. Morimoto, on the other hand, focuses a large portion of their efforts on ensuring that their headlights perform just as good as they look. And these F-150 lights use full LED power for both the low and the high beam, which are going to outperform not only a large amount of aftermarket headlights, but even the LED OEM headlights. So we know that they look good and they sure as hell perform well, but what about the overall quality and fit? Well, in my opinion, I think these are some of the best made headlights that I've ever had my hands on. Not only are they manufactured with very high quality materials, but the overall fit is exceptional. Not to mention, Morimoto also makes them incredibly easy to install. All of the headlights that you see on these vehicles are plug and play. They bolt right to the factory locations and use the factory wiring harnesses, so there is no additional wiring needed. So it doesn't matter if you're a seasoned mechanic or maybe you're just starting to get your feet wet working on cars, anyone can install a set of these headlights right in their own driveway with only basic tools. So to sum things up with this video, guys, if you're searching for a set of custom headlights to give your vehicle a facelift, add a sense of style, and perform worlds better than the expensive OEM option for a lot less, head over to Carid.com right now, enter in your vehicle's year, make, and model, and find out if Morimoto Lighting has a solution for you. And as always, I'm Greg from Carid.com, and I will see you guys next time.